So, hello guys. Today I will solve Floyd Warshall algorithm. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have given an adjacency matrix. Okay. Now, the matrix contains greater than zero. If the matrix position value is greater than zero, that means it has an edge, and the given value is the weight of the edge. And if its distance is zero, normally when the distance is zero, when there is a loop or distance from one vertex to the same vertex is zero, and minus one it represents that there is no edge. Okay, so first I will take some variables I, j, and k, and in n I will store the matrix dot size. Okay. Now, one thing while applying float Warshall algorithm, if there is no edge, which is if the value of a matrix element is minus one, we will replace that minus one with int max in C++. Okay. So what I am trying to say is, okay, let me, sorry, if matrix is equal to minus 1, then I will replace it with int max. Okay. What I am trying to say that is, if there is not a direct edge from one vertex to another vertex, it may be possible that somehow by following another path we came to that vertex, and that uh, distance will be minimum. Okay, that distance will be less than the int max value. So what we do in short Warshall algorithm is, if I comma j let be a vertex, so uh, we go to each and every vertex that that is possible. So let's suppose there is n vertices. Okay. So what I will do, I comma j, let us I comma sorry, comma j is equal to I comma k plus k comma j. Okay. So what I am trying to say is that we will go through each and every vertices that is possible in between them. Okay. Let's suppose there is a vertex from 0 to 2, but it may be possible that 0 to 1 there is also a vertex, and from 1 to 2 there is also a vertex. So 0 comma 2 can be represented as 0 comma 1 plus 1 comma 2. Okay. So this is the main intuition of the short Warshall algorithm. Okay. Now let us run a loop from k equal to 0, k less than n, k plus plus. I will explain later what is k here. Sorry. Now, if matrix ij is greater than matrix I k plus matrix of a and j. So you now understand what is the k here. So k represents all the vertices that is possible through I and j. Now, one important thing we have to keep in mind that if both matrix Ik and matrix Kj are infinite, then this will overflow, okay, and this will give a negative value. So I have to add another condition: matrix Ik is not equal to int max, and matrix Kj is not equal to int max. and hopefully then I will matrix ij is equal to matrix of ik plus matrix of kj. Okay, so hope so our adjacency matrix contains the minimum weight, okay, or minimum value for reaching from one vertex to another vertex. Okay, now as we have converted all the minus 1 to int max, and if the int max is present in the adjacency matrix, then we will have to change it to minus 1. So let's compile it. Okay, so my output and expected output are same. So we can see our submission is accepted. So okay guys, thank you and have a nice day.